Start. Good evening, students. Today we will be starting with the revision of the chapter Physical Quantities and Measurement, which is also there in your empty portion. We will be covering the previous year questions of term 1, which will be really beneficial for you all to solve the questions given in your paper. So let's open our notes. Okay, just go through it once. The topics we have covered is measurement, definition and its importance, right? Then we have learned about the unit and magnitude, then choice of unit, how a unit should be. Then the CGS, FPS, and MKS system of units. Then basic physical quantities, length, mass, time, and temperature. Then there are SI units and symbol. If there is a mistake in your symbol, like you have not capitalized the first letter of you, or like in kg you have written K capital and small g, you will lose your marks. Okay. So I will share the screen and start solving the questions. Okay. So this is the this is the second term paper. Wait. Uh, First term now. Wait. Physics term 2. Yes. So in this paper, yes, last year also they had this chapter. Why the wrong paper is getting open? Term 1. Ah, yes. Yes, this is the first term paper. You need to be very thorough with the numericals and formulas of this chapter, okay? Yes. So first question is, which of the following quantity is measured by beam balance? So beam balance, check your notes if you don't know. So the correct answer is mass. Why? Because density, this is not a quantity which we have learned. This is not the one. Weight and mass are two different things, okay? This we have already discussed. Weight is force, okay? And force cannot be measured by beam balance. Weight is the force by which Earth attracts you to itself. And mass is the amount of matter in your body. That is why the amount of matter in your body can be measured by the beam balance. Which of the following is used to measure time? Day, year, minute. Correct. All of the above. Next. Yes. Yes. Here is the next question. Name the figure alongside and state one use of it. So kindly write the name of the device here quickly. Quick. The answer is correct. It isn't stopwatch. Now, please give any one use of it. So the use mentioned in your book is a stopwatch is used to measure time intervals accurately up to 0.01 seconds. Okay? Measure time Sorry for the disconnection. Yes, so stopwatch is used to measure time intervals accurately up to 0.01 seconds. Okay, this is your answer for this 2 mark question. Then this question. If the mass of a body is 50 kg, then what does 50 and kg represent? So 50 here represents the magnitude. Magnitude. And kg here represents the unit. But for 2 marks, you have to explain it. Okay. So there was a paragraph or pointers given in your textbook, the unit and the number, and tells how many times that unit is contained in that quantity. This is about the magnitude. Okay. You can write like this: measurement is equals to n into u is equals to nu. Here n is the magnitude and u is the unit. Okay. You can say that the unit kg is contained 50 times in that quantity. Note down, the unit kg is contained 50 times in the given quantity. Okay, moving ahead. Yes. Yes. So to the next question, convert 5 hours in SI unit. Here, we have 5 hours is the quantity of which it is time. Okay. And SI unit of time is seconds. And even in the CGS, FPS, and MKS unit systems, the unit is second. Okay. Now, how to convert? You have to start with the statement 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. I'm writing the short form here, but this is not allowed. Okay. Then 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. S you can use. Then now from this we can take that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes into 60. This is the amount of seconds in 1 hour. Okay. This is the answer would be 3600 seconds. This is not a final answer. They has asked us about 5 hours. So 5 hours is equal to 3600 into 5, which is 36 into 5 is 18,000 seconds. If you don't write the unit, you get a big zero in this question. Okay. So for this whole thing, you get 2 marks. Clear? Next question. Uh, Name the following measuring devices. Kindly write it on the screen. Quick. Why I feel like the people in our class have not revised this topic, taking so much time for such questions. Should I write the answer? Okay. So the first one, okay. Electronic balance, correct. And grocer's balance. Grocer balance or grocer's balance. This is a bit incorrect. Put the abbreviation. Grocer's balance. Correct. Both are used to measure mass. Then next question. See, the paper would not be that hard if you study, okay? Be thorough with the numericals, I said. Name the device used to measure the human body temperature. Very easy question. It is thermometer. Thermometer. In such questions, if you make spelling mistakes, you will not be awarded any mark. Okay, 1 mark question. What is the normal human body temperature in degrees Celsius or centigrade? Yes, 37 point, no, it's 37 degrees Celsius. Yes. And in Fahrenheit, it is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. But they have asked us in degrees Celsius. So mention only this answer, okay? What is the temperature range in degrees Celsius by you in part A? Okay. So they are asking about the range of the thermometer in this. So what is the range of the thermometer? If I am not wrong, it is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Let me check the answer. One second. Correct. So 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Here unit is very important, okay? So here you get your 3 marks. Next question. Uh, yes, interesting. What is the correct measurement of the object given in the figure? What is the correct measurement? Yes, correct. It is 4.3 centimeter. What is the error called as? Parallax. Error of parallax. What? Error of parallax. Any mistake, spelling mistake, you lose the mark. How should we eliminate the error mentioned by you in part B? We should always look into the scale at a horizontal, maybe what is straight line or vertical line with the measure with the end of the point of the object. This is the end point of the object, right? And your eye should always be like this here. You should always look vertical to it. You should not look sideways. Always in line to the measurement. Okay. This question is quite common every year. So please revise this nicely. Yes. Numerical part, right? Yes. Convert 250 gram into kg. So how will we do this? See, we'll start with kg, hg, dag, g, dg, cg, mg. Right? This is the way I have taught you. When we go down, we multiply. And when we go up, we divide. Okay? One step means 10. Two steps means 100. Let's go to gram to kg. Okay? This is gram and here is kg. So we are going up. 1, 2, 3. That means 1000. Which operation? Division. So 250 upon 1000 kg. Then 0 0 cut. 25 ones are 25 fours are 1 upon 4. It is 0.25. 0.25 kg. This is our answer. Okay. 40 centimeters. Same way we will do it. So, meters, centimeter, millimeter. Centimeter to meter, how many steps? Only one. And we are going up, so we will divide. 40 upon 10. 0 cancel, 0 cancel. So, oh, wait. There's a mistake, I think. DM. Sorry. DM and M. So, two steps. Okay. Divide by 100. So, divide by 100. Okay. 4 upon 10 is left. So, 4 upon 10 is 0.4. So, 0.4 meter is our answer. 1 air is equals to dash meter square. I want this you to check the value in your notes. Please write on the screen quick. One air is C. This is a very easy question. One air was the area of a square of each of 10 meter of each side. Okay. So air is a unit of area. So if this side is 10 meter, this side is 10 meter, area of square would be 100 meter square. Okay, so the answer is 100. 1 kilometer square is equals to dash hectare. 1 hectare is the area of a square of each of side 1000 meter. 1000 meter, 1000 meter. So what will be, we will convert this into kilometer, okay? 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 kilometer. Oh, wait. The answer, they have asked us about 1 kilometer square to hectare. So, what we will do here, we have gone wrong here. 1 hectare is equals to 100 meter into 100 meter, 100 meter. It's not 1000, it's 100 meter into 100 meter. 100 meter into 100 meter is 1, 2, 3, 4 meter square. But if we convert this, it would be 0.1 kilometer into 0.1 kilometer. It will be 0.01 kilometer square. Or we can also write as 1 by 10 kilometer, oh, 1 by 100 kilometer square. So we will interchange the signs. Okay, 1 hectare is equals to 1 upon 100 kilometer square. We will send this here. Okay, 100 into 1h is equals to 1 kilometer square. So 1 kilometer square is equals to 100 hectare. This is our answer. Okay, with such questions, you have to remember, need to remember the definition of the terms. I think time is up. We will check if yes, this question. Which is more accurate, vernier caliper or screw gauge? Yes, correct. The answer is screw gauge. And why? Because it can measure more accurate. Why can it measure more accurately? Because the least count, I had given you something about the least count, right? What was the least count of screw gauge and vernier calipers? Please write. Yes. Vernier caliper was 0.1 mm. This is vernier calipers. And screw gauge is 0.01 mm. So if we have a very small object which is less than this, then we will use screw gauge only. So this is more like helpful to us, right? Smallest division in screw gauge is 0.01 mm, and in this it is 0.1 mm. Okay. So here we will end this class with the completion of previous year questions. I hope you'll practice. Goodbye.